Maharashtra is looking at a serious oxygen shortage, and amid the massive cases of coronavirus, Maharashtra government is now facing a acute shortage of even remdesivir as well. Uddhav Thackeray, we hear today, has called Prime Minister Modi to raise the issue of oxygen shortage. Maharashtra needs at least 1,200 to 1,500 metric ton of oxygen supply. This comes after Prime Minister Modi yesterday reviewed the oxygen stock in the country. After complaints coming in from 12 states, including Maharashtra, Prime Minister urged officials to ensure seamless and free movement of tankers carrying oxygen throughout the country. But here is Uddhav Thackeray, whose team says they've tried to contact Prime Minister Modi. The third call that was made, the reply that they got was that Prime Minister Modi is in Bengal and he will get back to Uddhav once he is back in office. Vidya joining us for more details on that. Vidya, here's Uddhav Thackeray desperately trying to reach out to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over oxygen shortage in Maharashtra. And the reply he's got that Prime Minister is right now in Bengal. He'll reply to him later once he's back.
Well, it certainly is. The Chief Minister's office has been trying frantically. In fact, we have been hearing of the Health Minister holding meetings with various companies, going ahead and requesting them to actually, supply oxygen and the entire medicines. Remember, none of these companies, most of these companies are outside Maharashtra, so it will have to request other governments and their companies there, asking for them to actually supply these medicines as well as oxygen, which is crucial at this moment for treating patients infected with COVID-19. In fact, at this moment, the Chief Minister's office has been frantically trying to call up, and they have been very clear in their communication. They said that they needed to speak to the Prime Minister, but the Prime Minister's office has finally told them that because the Prime Minister is in Bengal, the communication cannot happen. And the Chief Minister's office has very clearly said that they have been trying to speak to the Prime Minister so that he can help with the entire oxygen as well as the medical supplies that are needed. Extremely crucial at this moment when the COVID numbers have spiked up huge. The entire statistics is mind-boggling in Maharashtra, especially of the number of people infected with it. And most of these cases that we know of will need medicines as well as oxygen. And there are many parts like Vasai Virar and other areas, Buldana, where oxygen supply shortage has been reported, where patients are not getting, and the families there are alleging that they did not get the oxygen supply, and because of that the patients have died. It is because of this that the Chief Minister's office has been frankly trying to speak to the Prime Minister, but at this moment what they have been told by the Chief Minister's office, what we are being told, is that the Prime Minister will only get back when he's back from Bengal.
Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details.